Hello, Education 555, and welcome to Module 6. First of all, thank you for your hard work on Module 5. Really enjoyed reading your personal position statements again. Thank you for really working hard to incorporate your mission, vision, and creed into those as we have that lens for focusing on what is important to us and what do we think about today's issues in education. So let's check out Module 6, which will be our last issue position statement. This week's essential question, what do you believe? It'll be our last personal position statement that you'll do. Required reading. You'll be doing some reading based on your chosen topic. It can be the resources I've listed, as I've said before, but you should also work on picking your own as well. And the additional resources are right here. You may use these resources for your personal position statement, but I also encourage you to pick your own. These are the topics to pick from this week: English language learners, STEM, educational savings accounts, teacher leadership, game-based learning. So please pick one of those as you work on doing your personal position statement. Which is the first assignment for the course, for this module. This is due on Saturday night at midnight, as we've done in the past. As we've also done in the past, upload your Word document to this assignment, and then I will go ahead and grade that using the rubric. Please make sure you check out that rubric and the assignment exemplars if you've not done that yet. 6.2 discussion. You will copy and paste your personal position statement into this discussion by Saturday night at midnight, and then respond to two of your classmates by Sunday night at midnight. So the same pattern we've been doing for the previous two personal position statements. 6.3 discussion. Think about issues and trends that we just studied and discussed during modules 3, 5, and 6. With those issues and trends in mind, answer the following. Check out these questions. Make sure you have at least one reference in your response. Wednesday at midnight is your post deadline, and two others by Sunday at midnight. And then questions anyone as a time for you to ask any questions you might have. A reminder also to please keep working on your final project as we go to the content. As I've made you aware, modules 7 and 8 have the same weeks, so they are due the same time. So please make sure you are preparing to do module 7 and module 8 for the same weeks. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask, and have a great rest of your week.